Hello everyone, welcome back to Gina Amon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make this delicious cake, easy to make, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in eggs, followed by sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I'll mix all those ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything is well combined, go ahead and add in milk and then stir or mix till well combined again before adding in your flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour as well. I then added in baking powder and then I sieved in until I was done. I stirred to well combined again until it's come a creamy consistency. So the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, beat at a time. You do not want any lumps in the cake batter, so please make sure you add in the flour beat at a time until you've added in all. So once you've added in all, go ahead and add in melted margarine and then stir till well combined. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this. When done, go ahead and divide it into 3 equal parts. The first one, I added in about a tablespoon of cocoa powder and then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then I stirred till well combined. So the next one, I added in about half a teaspoon of, no, not even half, just a pinch of red food color, and then I added in flour and then stir till well combined. So you want the consistency should be the same. You should have the same consistency. If you add a tablespoon of cocoa powder, the rest should be a tablespoon of flour, just flour. So if you add 2 tablespoons, you should add 2 tablespoons of flour to each again. So when done, go ahead and put them in the piping bag, and then make sure you line your baking pan with parchment paper. So the first one going in is the pink one, the light pink color, and then the normal one without any color. So make sure you do it like this as demonstrated in the video. It makes it more easier with the piping bag. Then the last one going in is the one with the cocoa powder. So just do it as demonstrated in the video and then keep some aside, about 2 tablespoons each. So what you have to do is to bring the pink one and then draw a circle line as demonstrated in the video. So leave about 2-inch space and then draw a circle line again. Then use the pink, no, the vanilla one, the one without the color and without the cocoa powder, and draw a different line as demonstrated or as seen in the video. This is very simple. It is easy. Like, just have fun in the kitchen. When done, go ahead and design it. And this is very easy and it's beautiful. Just look at it. Wow. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So when done with a toothpick, go ahead and design it as seen in the video, and then in the middle, just use small, the pink color, small one in the middle, and you're good to go. Bake this at 170 degrees Celsius from 35 to 40 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 35 to 40 minutes. And just look at it, guys. This is not just beautiful, but delicious as well. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to share. Till then, bye bye.